come back.
And then I saw your glass. And I thought, he's killed him. I know he's killed him. That was one scary sound.
Okay. Ah!
Sorry, camera hog.
I was in no mood to hear Amy's I told you so.
No! That's my dorky brother.
Oh, shut up.
We actually did not plan the whole tongue thing. That was gross.
Oh, it's seriously recording?
Yes.
Oh. It's a good thing they didn't touch.
They did, Hunter.
Oh, why would you say that? You could just stuck with no, they didn't touch.
He's my little brother.
Got your cheek.
Ah.
La 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 la.
He's a Justin Bieber wannabe.
My teeth are so white.
My crazy ex-boyfriend has green hair now. Here, have some of my hair.
Oh, smile. Smile. My teeth are whiter.
No, my teeth are lighter. No, look.
I'm good. I'm good. You keep that to yourself. What's up?
Smile. Just a little pinch. Just a pinch. Little pinch.
So are you gonna post this video?
Uh-huh.
Get your tongue away from me.
I like
Chicken nugget.
nugget,
Biscuit, nugget and a biscuit. Nugget, biscuit, nugget and a biscuit.
Nugget.
No?
You do it one more time, Hunter.
Oh. Nugget, biscuit, nugget and a biscuit. Nugget, biscuit, nugget and a biscuit. Nugget, biscuit, nugget and a biscuit. Dip it all in mashed potatoes.
Anybody's just asking, that's a Tobascus video called Nugget and a Biscuit.
Look up Gummy Bear. That's a funny song. Sorry.
Burp.
Holy crap, I've got a big tongue.
The cow tongue. Burp!
Oh, that felt good. That tastes like those chili dogs. I think mine was better.
I'm gonna hash. Look at my freckles! Look at my freckles! Alright.
Don't we love each other?